Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming prerequisites. The Zoom app is installed, and you have the meeting ID or one-click link. Open Zoom and tap Join, then type the meeting ID and your display name so hosts recognize you. Once done, choose whether to turn camera on and select Join with computer audio to hear others. Make sure camera and mic permissions are granted by the device. This prevents last-minute prompts that delay entry. After entering ID, you may be asked for a passcode or to authenticate via the calendar link. Provide that promptly to avoid being stuck. Next, test your mic and speakers. Tap Test Speaker and Microphone if offered, and pick the right camera or a virtual background. If you land in a waiting room, stay on the screen. Hosts admit participants in order, so keep your name correct and watch for prompts to unmute when allowed. Once admitted, you're in the meeting. Mute yourself when not speaking and use Start Video when ready. Use chat for questions, share screen only with permission, and reactions for quick feedback. If audio or video fails, first switch to another network or toggle airplane mode briefly, then update the Zoom app and restart it. If that still fails, join via the browser link as a fallback. This troubleshooting sequence resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.